Thank you.
Thank you.
Today marks a significant step forward for Service Maker as we expand towards future of mobility. Our partnership with PlusX is not just about EV services, it's all about making future-ready, sustainable mobility ecosystem.
Like I said, it's an organic collaboration with an intent that we cross-sell our services and offer our services to our consumer base and ensure that mobility in whichever form becomes sustainable, becomes affordable, and very importantly becomes convenient.